This short video shows guidance on the measurement of the excavation of the trenches. This is a metre cubed item, and we measure it in terms of the centerline of the trench, by the width of the trench, by the depth of the trench. Things to take note: for the centerline, on this particular drawing we have the external dimension. So if we look at it on section, what we've calculated is the girth on the outside face of our brickwork. So to work out the centerline, we need to adjust in order to get the centerline of the composite wall. So that would be the external girth less, because we're moving in, 4 times 2 times half the thickness of the composite wall. In terms of the width, we can read that normally straight from the drawing. In this case, I've given it to you previously as 625. If we look at the depth, we normally on the drawing will have a depth from existing ground level to the underside of the foundation. In this case, I've given it as 1 metre. So remember, let's have a look at the foundation trench. It starts 150 below ground level because we've already stripped off the topsoil. So we need to make that adjustment. So that's going to be 1 metre less the 150. So if we look at that in terms of our calculations, here you can see I've calculated the external girth. I've got the centerline by making my adjustment, so deducting by 4 times 2 times half the thickness of the composite wall. The depth I've allowed for the fact that we've already stripped the topsoil. So I have a metre cubed item, which is the centerline, times the width, times the depth, and here I am adding on the disposal of the excavated material because it's going to be the same volume.